This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for August 27, 2018. We're going to run through the markets very quickly and then talk about the aid package. Corn market down 1 to 1 3/4. Soybeans down 6 to 7 1/4. Wheat market down 11 to 17. Minneapolis down 11. Kansas City, Chicago down 17. Feeder cattle up $1 to $3.35. Live cattle up $1.95 to $2.60. Hog market up limit $3 in the front 2 months. So a lot of movement today. When you look to Mexico trade deal, we've got it now. Handshake agreement between the two parties, regardless of whether Canada comes or not. We've got forward progress that really helped the cattle and hog markets. It got corn kind of off its lows for the day, but never really got it firmer on anything to speak of. Beans and wheat kind of stuck in limbo yet. Wheat dealing with the liquidation, and that might have been some corn wheat liquidation there as a result of why we've seen that come back. On the Trump aid package, you're basically looking at interested parties basically have to be 100% complete. They're eligible starting September 4th, and it's going to be kind of in a 50% type payment program, with the first one going out after September 4th and the second one a little bit in limbo as to whether it will go out and how it will go out, and we'll update more on that as we get details. But basically the dollar amounts for pork will be $8 per head, soybeans $1.65, sorghum at 86 cents, wheat at 14 cents, the corn market at 1 cent, and cotton at 6 cents. So the dairy market is looking at 12 cents per hundredweight, and that's kind of the base program. Now the first 50% will come out once production is complete and everything is harvested there for the grain side of things. There is a $125,000 cap payment, so there are other criteria around this that producers will need to be attentive to. We can surely help you out with that, or you can find these basically by going to the website. Let me see if I can find it here quick. But there's information around the market. I can't pull it off. www.farmers.gov/MFP is what you'd be looking for there. And basically that'll get you the lowdown on these details. So again, $1.65 in soybeans, $8 a head in pork, and wheat market 14 cents, corn 1 cent. And those will be things to watch, 12 cents per hundredweight on the dairy. And again, they'll come out in 2 separate payments. The first one starting September 1st. The second one I still think seems in limbo from the wordage and rhetoric around the marketplace or other circumstances around. So you're going to want to do a little dig in there. But as we look ahead to tomorrow, possibly a little support coming from these factors of Mexico working out a deal. We'll see if Canada can come to the table and work from there. China and the U.S. just seem too far away for right now to have much optimism. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.